Spell chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to checkmate or capture your opponent's king. Before you make a move, there are two spells you can use if you want: jump and freeze. Jump allows you to target any piece on the board. For your next move and your opponent's next move, that piece may be passed through by other pieces. Freeze allows you to target a 3x3 area and prevent all pieces in that area from moving during your current turn and your opponent's next turn. You can use this spell to escape check or checkmate if you want. When it is your turn again, those pieces may move again. Frozen spaces may be passed through and frozen pieces may be captured. If your king is not frozen, but your rook is, you are still allowed to castle. Each spell has a number indicating how many times you can use it each game. After you use a spell, there is a 3-turn cooldown you must wait before you can use it again. You can only use a maximum of 1 spell per turn. You do not have to respond to check or checkmate if you can capture the enemy king. The first player to capture or checkmate their opponent wins.